Halifax Courier article dated Saturday the 14th of July 2018 by Tom Scargill. Halifax Town 1, Bolton Wanderers 2. New signing Mecca McLeod came off the bench to score as Halifax Town lost 2-1 to Bolton Wanderers in their latest pre-season friendly at the Shea. A full-strength Bolton represented a significant step up in class for Town's previous two opponents in pre-season, but there were plenty of positives for manager Jamie Fullerton in a closely fought contest. Bolton's pre-season was thrown into chaos when their friendly at St Mirren had to be cancelled last Saturday because the players went on strike after not getting paid. Their friendly at Morecambe on Tuesday was then cancelled, meaning that this was their first warm-up game of the summer, and Bolton boss Phil Parkinson, who guided Bradford to a 2-1 win at the Shea in the first round of the FA Cup in 2014, took the opportunity to field what looked like a full-strength lineup. Moments after Dale Southwell had struck Town's first effort on target, a free kick that Ben Addick tipped behind, Bolton took the lead through Adam Lafondra. Addick caught the resulting corner and launched the visitors on a counter-attack, and with Town outnumbered, Will Buckley squared it to the unmarked Lafondra for a tap-in. Bolton had looked the likelier to score before then, with Sammy Amiobi forcing Sean Rowley into a smart save at his near post. Wanderers, unsurprisingly, were able to get the ball in dangerous areas more often, but a Town defence featured three trialists was rarely seriously breached. Aside from building the fitness and familiarity of his squad, the game should be a useful exercise for Fullerton's side in replicating facing one of the National League big boys, against whom Town could find themselves under pressure high up the pitch, against a strong defence and a team with good movement and cohesion. That was the case here, but the gap from Championship to Conference wasn't glaringly obvious. Josh Staunton and former Bolton youngster Niall Marr provided a solid base in midfield, always available for a pass and rarely straying out of position in front of the back four. Although the likes of Ben Tomlinson, as good as anyone in a blue shirt, Jordan Preston and ex-Bolton youngster Sammy Odeluse didn't see enough of the ball for Halifax to make enough of a regular impression going forward. Southwell was lively, and he seemed to relish going up against two big centre-halves and got into some dangerous areas with a willing work rate. There were more half chances for Bolton before half-time, but other than catching Town on the break, the Championship side had been contained fairly well. But Bolton doubled their lead shortly after half-time when the excellent Amiobi swept a ball out to the left-back Andrew Taylor, whose cross was met by that giant Amiobi with a close-range header. A slip by Vila let in Preston on the hour mark, but he fired over from a tight angle, before Southwell got a chance 12 yards out from Jacob Hansen's cross, but it was kept out by the Bolton keeper. Substitute McLeod half the deficit with 20 minutes to go, by which point Bolton had changed their entire team into a one-fell substitution swoop. When he cut in from the left, glided past his nearest opponents before blasting a low right-footed shot past the keeper at his near post, capping Town's best spell of the match. The pace of McLeod went close to his second with 10 minutes remaining, but his curling right-foot shot from 20 yards went over the bar as Halifax finished the stronger of the two teams. Halifax team, Sean Rowley, trialist, Hansen, Marr, Staunton, replaced by King on 64 minutes, Tomlinson, Preston, replaced by trialist in the 73rd minute, Odeluse, replaced by McLeod in the 65th minute, and Dale Southwell. Subs not used, Sam Johnson, Ryan Sellers, with Matty Casilo and a trialist. Scored by Mecca McLeod in the 69th minute. We had 4 shots on target, 3 shots off and 4 corners. Town's man of the match was Ben Tomlinson.